In a world where we're seeing so much AI-generated slop, there seems to be a big difference between slop and real work. Model ML offers off-the-shelf and custom agents that operate exactly as our customers do. The first thing we did was we ran the model through our internal evaluation system, and frankly, it blew every metric out the water. Let's use the example where a user wants to build an IC memo. They give it a brief and they point it in the direction of the information that it wants to pull. What we've seen 5.6 do is that we'll start building out a plan of exactly what it wants the slides to be and wants the slides to look like. It will commit to its work, so both doing the research, doing any calculations, and then building out the native graphs, tables, charts, logos, and then it will do a final step where it looks at each slide from a visually appealing standpoint. And we've not seen models do this anywhere near as good. It will then give the user an editable PowerPoint with all of the traceable sources. The user should be focused on the judgment. In other words, refining the assumptions, sharpening the message, not just rebuilding the analysis. Earlier models could do the work of an analyst, but the user would have to clearly break down the task, specifically what it wanted the output to look like. With GPT-5.6 Soul, we're finding that the agent gets far closer to the final output.